Hi, I'm Simon. I'm Managing Director and co-founder of CREAT3D. CREAT3D was launched in 2013 with the goal of helping UK-based manufacturing and engineering companies to adopt additive manufacturing into their businesses. We're based in Berkshire and we work with a range of companies across the UK. Traditionally, 3D printing has been seen as a tool for prototyping, where companies have a single printer and they use it to make their time to market for new products a lot shorter and reduce the costs of iterating a design. However, now we're at the stage where companies are adopting additive manufacturing in a much wider and more varied way. So, for example, using 3D printing to print jigs, fixtures, production aids and tooling in order to make current production methods a lot more efficient and reduce the timescales that they're working on. Also, we're now at the stage where you're able to produce small batches of end-use components. So we're actually able to leverage additive manufacturing for local, on-demand production of components, reducing the environmental impact and also reducing the need for things like stock holding.
Hi, I'm Spina. I'm Marketing Director and co-founder at CREAT3D. So one of the things that I love at CREAT3D is our independence, which means that we get to work with a whole host of different additive technologies. That's everything from extrusion machines, so FFF, through to SLA and SLS, through to metal additive manufacturing, as well as high speed and composite.
Additive now covers a wide range of different processes, and it also covers a wide range of different materials. Depending on the application that you have in mind, it may be that it's more suited to be printed in something like a plastic or a resin-based material. Equally, you have the option for things like carbon fibre reinforced composites, all the way through to metal 3D printing as well. As an additive manufacturing solutions provider, we work with companies to understand how additive should be integrated into their business, quantify the benefits that it raises, and also then help them with actually integrating the technology. We wrap around services, for example, installation, calibration, training services, and also the provision of things like spare parts, repair services, and of course the ongoing consumables.
So we work with everyone from aerospace to automotive to consumer products, technology companies, as well as higher education. The key thing is that with all these businesses, no matter which industry, they're all benefiting from adopting additive. And that's everything from reducing your costs or improving your production line processes, making efficiencies, as well as reducing your time to market so that you can become more competitive, as well as creating new products and new markets faster than you could before.
Our customers choose to work with us for a wide variety of reasons, not just because of the range of technology that we have on offer, but also due to the services that we have wrapped around that. Everything from dedicated account management, through to applications engineering support for design for additive, all the way through to a range of different technical services, whether that's on site or here at our location in Berkshire. We also offer more strategic guidance, helping customers to plan their journey for additive into the future. We're working on a number of exciting projects with different companies where they're looking to leverage digital manufacturing to its true potential. A lot of people consider additive to be a technology for the future, but it's actually a technology that is available now, it's capable, and it's having a massive impact with our customers. It's important that companies understand that additive is a core part of their strategy for the future.
The team here are all really passionate about additive manufacturing, and we love to discuss applications or potential applications with our clients. We can share our knowledge and draw on experiences that we have with existing customers across a whole host of industries so that you can really understand the benefits from adopting this technology in-house yourself. You're welcome to come along to our showroom in Berkshire. We hold open weeks regularly where you can come and see the technology firsthand, or you can arrange an appointment at any time to come and meet with our experts, discuss your applications and how you can benefit from using additive in your business.